The 2026 BMW XM Label, BMW M's most powerful production vehicle ever, now the only XM you can buy. The 2026 BMW XM Label Performance and Powertrain. Power comes from a 4.4L twin-turbo V8, 577 horsepower, mated to a 194 horsepower electric motor, totaling 738 horsepower and 738 lb-ft torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with a standard top speed of 155 miles per hour, or 175 miles per hour with the M driver's package. The 2026 BMW XM labeled charging and hybrid usability. Charging is sharper now. The onboard AC charger has been boosted from 7.4 kilowatts to 11 kilowatts, cutting home charging time significantly. The battery remains at 19.2 kilowatt hours, delivering around 30 miles of electric-only range. 2026 BMW XM Label exclusive design and customization. The XM Label now stands alone, returning elite individual options like frozen tanzanite blue paint, new 23-inch 1096M wheels in jet black, and 3 interior worlds, night blue, black, or silverstone merino leather with vintage coffee accents, now including color-matched rear cushions. The 2026 BMW XM Label driving dynamics and refinements. BMW retuned the throttle mapping for smoother power delivery. The adaptive M suspension, active roll stability, and X-Drive AWD remain as aggressive as ever, just better balanced. It's still a heavyweight at over 6,000 pounds, but it controls that mass with surprising agility. As the only XM going forward, the 2026 XM Label blends raw performance, hybrid tech, and personalized luxury into one spectacular statement. Few SUVs dare to be this extreme and beautifully bold.